In the last class, we have seen the concepts of SQL, but here we are going to connect how we are practical, how we are going to create table and execute all DML and DCL commands. So here, this is the command line of SQL. So for that, you are supposed to install any Oracle or SQL software which is open source. So I have taken here Oracle 10G Express Edition. So when you install this, you will get command line, or you also can interact with the DBMS with graphical user interface, that is GUI. So two ways you can interact, either SQL command line or so if I'm using this command line, I'm getting this black screen. Okay. So for to get connected with this, you need to write CONNECT, connect followed by semicolon. So once you are connected, you are supposed to enter username. So this will be used, or this will be coming when you are going to install. So you are supposed to give any username and password. So I have given system, I have given password. So here now I'm trying to create one table. Okay, so create table CSC CSCC. So how we are going to create table? So you need to write roll number followed by number. Give any length now for char, and age is int. Okay, so I have taken these parameters, one table is created. Now I want to insert into this table. So insert into, what is the table name? CSCC, right? So once I have inserted, you need to write values, right? So insert into CSCC values. What are the values I need to enter? Suppose I have taken roll number as 101. Name, whenever you are writing name, you need to write in single quotes. Okay, there is only option of single quotes. And here this is not a case sensitive, you can write in capital letters or small letters, it will take, right? So for age, put a comma and write down 21 semicolon. One row is created. Again, if you want to insert one more row, just edit the values, put one up arrow, you will get this. And I'm writing Ami, quotes, age 22. So if I have inserted the same value, it will take. Okay, so same row it will take, even though the roll number is same, because I did not put any primary key. Now I did not mention anywhere here that there is a primary key. So what should I do? Now I have created a table. So there is one option, as I said earlier, you can write alter table. Alter table, using this alter table you can add a primary key. So alter table, table name, what is the table name? CSCC, add primary key, primary key. And what is the name of the primary key you want to add? That is roll number, right? So once we have written this, add primary key, it cannot take, because if I have added this, there is two roll numbers of same roll number, so it will not accept this primary key. Now what I should do is, I need to delete this 102, because there are two 102s. I need to delete this, and then I need to use this command, alter command, right? So in order to delete that, delete from. Okay, so you need to learn all the syntaxes. So delete from, what is the table name? CSCC. Delete from CSC. What table you want, what row you need to delete, you need to specify. Delete from CSCC where. So some extra information you can view by using where command. So delete from CSCC where roll number is equals to 102, right? So what happens if I delete roll number 102, means both the records will be deleted, right? So 2 rows got deleted. Okay, now I am going to insert only one row. Amay into this. Now I am trying to alter the command, right? Now I am using only you put up arrow. Now it will accept. See, table is altered. Now it will accept because there are unique or unique values in my table. So I have used create, insert, alter, delete, right? Now I want to add one column, right? I have forgot to add address or phone number. So what I should do, by using alter command, I can write alter table cscc add column. What is the column name? I can take address, right? Address, and you need to write what is the type of that address. Care of 10. So table is also altered. Now I want to see my table. How can I see my table? So select star from CSCC. If I write like this, my table is displayed. Can you see that address column is empty? Okay. Now I want to add the address. Oh, I have created a table with this only three columns or fields, but address I have added it later. Now I want to insert something here. So what I should use is update. Okay, update. What is the syntax of update? Update table name. Okay, no need to write table. Update table name, right? Where update table name, where update table. With alter, we will be using add keyword. With update, you will be using set keyword. Update CSCC set address. Set address equals to Hyderabad, HYD. Okay, so all the rows will be updated. Okay, so because I did not give any condition, I have said that update CSCC set address equals to Hyderabad, all the rows will be updated. But I want only one row to update. Oh, two rows got updated. So let us see what is the output. Okay, so for two members, Ajay and Abhay, it is Hyderabad. No, I don't want to give Amay as Hyderabad. I want to give as Secunderabad. Then do like this, update set Hyderabad. You need to give condition where roll number, or you can also use roll number, or you can also use name equals to Ajay, where roll number equals to 102 or 101, anything. Okay, so one row is updated. Let us see the table. Select star from CSC. Okay. Oh, I have written only Hyderabad. I did not written Secunderabad, right? So I need to write here Secunderabad. Sec is easy. So let us see, one row is updated. So one is Hyderabad and one is Secunderabad, right? So we have seen how to create a table, insert, then alter, update, how we have added primary key, and how we have added one column, and how we have added those values in it, right? So finally I want to delete also. We have seen I want to drop the table. So completely I want to drop the table. So I can use drop table followed by CSCC. Okay, so if I drop this, I cannot see the table anymore, right? So table is dropped. Now if I write down select star from CSCC, I cannot see the table, right? So table or view does not exist. Okay, that's all.